So, we hear a lot about AI understanding language, like really getting what we mean. But how does it actually do that? A computer just understands numbers, right? So, how does it know king is related to queen, not, I don't know, apple? It's always felt a bit like magic, to be honest.
Oh, Stella, that's a fantastic question. And it really gets to the heart of something called vector embeddings.
So, just a unique ID for each word, like a library catalog number, but nothing about what the word meant or how it related to others. That sounds limited, especially with thousands and thousands of words.
You totally nailed it, Stella. It was incredibly inefficient, like so much wasted space, and yeah, absolutely no sense of semantic relationship.
Okay, so this matrix, it's like a big spreadsheet, and each word gets its own row of these 300 numbers. But if they start off random, how does that help? Aren't they just meaningless jumbles of numbers at first? King gets row 41 with a bunch of random decimals, and queen gets row 42 with its own random decimals. How does that... What?
You're spot on again. At the very, very beginning of training, those numbers in each row are totally random. It's like just noise, right? The model finds the word, uses its ID to find its specific row in this big embedding matrix, and just pulls out those random numbers. The magic and the learning happens next. This is where it gets really cool, Stella. So those random numbers, they don't stay random. Imagine the AI is trying to predict the next word in a sentence, right? Like if it sees the queen wore a, and based on its current random numbers, it incorrectly guesses shoe. Well, the model calculates how wrong it was. Like, whoops, that's not right. Then it uses that error feedback to make tiny, tiny adjustments to the numbers in the queen vector to make the next prediction like a little bit better.
Wow, so it's just like constantly tweaking the numbers based on whether it got the prediction right or wrong over and over again.
Precisely. We repeat this process millions, even billions of times with vast amounts of text from the internet. And what happens is words that appear in similar contexts, like king, queen, prince, crown, throne, their vectors get subtly nudged closer and closer together in this high-dimensional space.